Hello world! No, that's not the name of my project. It's the Encryptionizer. Hey, this is Jared from Austin, Texas. I'm here to present my Encryptionizer project. I got the idea from the childhood years of playing with the Captain Crunch decoder ring. And it used to come in a cereal box, a good old Captain Crunch, and we'd encode and decode message with it. But I wanted to take it one level up and use emojis. So, without further ado, we have our project. They can read and write the files for encrypted and decrypted emoji text. We can also use the command line. So we run our file, and then we can say hello world. Anything in the brackets is by default. So in this case, I can leave it as default or hit encrypted. I can leave it defaulted as 1 and just hit the enter key or type it in myself. So now we have encrypted text. Take that encrypted text, copy it, send it to our friend, and I hit the copy button instead of the mouse. There we go. They run the project, put in their encrypted message, say they want it decrypted, and in this case it's 1, and they get to see hello world. We can also use that as files. Say we have a longer message. We can run this command with file output encryption, because we're going to output an encrypted file to joe.text. Hello Joe from Austin, Texas. This is Jared. And this time we're going to 2-pass encryption it. It writes a file called Joe Text. We'll take a look at it. Yep, we can see it's encrypted. Good. We email it off. Joe gets the file and takes a look at it. So file input encryption is joe.text. The file output decryption is joe decrypt.text, whatever you want to call it. And if you can spell it right. And there were 2 passes, so we had the -n option with 2-pass decryption. And then we have Joe decrypt.text. Joe gets to see his message. It says, hello from Austin, Texas. This is Jared. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the project. Only got 3 minutes, so we're going to wrap this up. Have a great day.